Synthetic division. For the overview, you'll have an explanation, the first example, a second example, a third example, and then the ending. Synthetic division is a shortcut way to divide when dividing with a linear factor. It's generally used to find the roots. Example 1, 3x to the fourth minus 11x cubed plus 13x squared minus 10x plus 8 divided by x minus 2. So when you first start out, you're going to bring down the coefficients and swap the sign of -2 and put it in a little box to the side. After you bring down the coefficients and swap the signs, you're going to bring down the first term, which is 3, and place it under the line. After that, you're going to multiply 3 by 2 and place it under the next term and add those together and then repeat. After adding them together, once you try and write your answer, what you're going to do is go one term down. So starting with 3, you're going to do 3x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3x minus 4. And since 8 and -8 canceled out and you got 0, there's no remainder. Example 2, 64x to the fourth minus 96x cubed minus 4x squared minus 74x plus 21 divided by 8x minus 2. Okay, so for example 2, because of the coefficient in front of x, you divide that by 8 to get 1/4. You're going to put that in the box to the side and then bring all of your coefficients down and leave them there. So then you bring down 64 and multiply 64 by 1/4 to get 16. Then you're going to add -96 and 16 to get -80. And then you're going to multiply 1/4 by 80 to get -20. Then you'll add -4 and -20 to get -24. Then just like with the first two, you'll take 1/4 of -24 to get 6. And then you'll add -74 and -6 to get -80. Then you'll take 1/4 of that again to get -20 and add 21 and -20 to get 1. After getting those answers, you're going to divide all of them by 8 except for 1 because that is your remainder, and put that one over 8x minus 2. So your answer would be 8x cubed minus 10x squared minus 3x minus 10 plus 1 over 8x minus 2. Example 3, 6x to the sixth minus 11x to the fifth plus x to the fourth minus 8 divided by x minus 2. So for this one, you're going to need to put placeholders in for x cubed, x squared, and x because you can't skip terms. After doing that, you'll proceed like you did in example 1 and 2. As you find your answers, you're going to notice that 40 is the remainder, so that would be 40 over x minus 2. So your answer would be 6x to the fifth plus x to the fourth plus 3x cubed plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 24 plus 40 over x minus 2. Now you know. Thanks for watching.